Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about kitchen hacks and clever solutions you can use around your kitchen. Hack number one shows you how to organize your kitchen in order to keep it neat and tidy. From your garbage to your fruits and veggies and even your pots. These ideas will keep you organized. Hack number two shows you a natural homemade cleaning solution. From a natural homemade dish soap to get your dishes clean, to a homemade solution for your kitchen counters, these hacks will have your kitchen sparkling. Hack number three is perfect for those who enjoy a glass of wine. This simple DIY is perfect for your kitchen and features a stylish way to display your favorite bottle of wine and four glasses. Hack number four is actually a recipe from My Healthy Dish. In this clip, she shows us how to make shredded kitchen noodle soup by using a hand beater. Hack number five shows you how to use a towel rack to place and use a pot holder along with a few other items around the house. Hack number six showcases four different hacks you can use for eggs. From raw eggs to boiled, you'll never look at eggs the same way after these hacks. number 7 shows you how to take common foods and keep them fresh for longer, a problem that many have. Follow these simple tips and they might just help your food be fresher for longer. Hack number 8 shows you how to make a cool mug display for your kitchen. Perfect if you love drinking tea and coffee and need an extra place to store your mugs. Hack number 9 shows you how to make a crafty storage space for your pots and pans. Hack number 10 shows you how to properly clean your stove top without the use of harsh chemicals and cleansers. Hack number 11 shows you another way you can keep your kitchen tidy by organizing. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY hack solution for your kitchen. Be sure to subscribe for more and I'll check you guys in the next one.